It's just absolutely horrendous. I hate it.
Brittany McGrath is one of a number of upset neighbors here on Greenwood Avenue who say the noise from the Legacy Castle, an enormous wedding and catering hall in Pequannock Township, is disturbing their lives.
If I had a picnic in my backyard, we'd have to shout at each other to be heard over the noise. That's how loud it was.
Neighbors say home videos shot from their backyards reveal the loud noise from rowdy outdoor parties emanating from the Legacy Castle that sits 1,000 feet behind their wooded backyard fences. It is an 82,000 square foot facility that advertises it can hold events ranging from 50 to 1,500 people. But folks here say the noise sometimes starts early in the morning. On the weekends.
It goes on probably for about a half hour, sometimes before 9 o'clock in the morning.
Really?
Yeah, on a Sunday.
I don't like being woken up 9:30 on a Sunday morning with sounding like somebody's in my front yard on a bullhorn.
Neighbors here say this has been going on 3 to 6 times over the last month.
Pequannock Township police here confirm they have received and responded to at least 3 noise complaints.
We stopped by the Legacy Castle to discuss the controversy. The facility was closed and our phone calls and emails were not returned. Neighbors here say they now have taken their concerns to local government, asking for an intervention, hoping to get some relief.
We just want it to stop.
From this, in Pequannock Township, Scott Rapoport, CBS 2 News.
In an email, the Pequannock Township supervisor said government officials have been in contact with the Legacy Castle and are now working to address concerns.